Australia has experienced many extreme weather events, from bushfires to floods to tropical cyclones. As these extreme weather events continue, we need to find ways that we can rapidly deploy and restore service as quickly as possible. Innovation is key.
We're at Macquarie campus in Sydney, Australia, and we are demonstrating with Nokia the use of a drone for temporary cell site coverage. Traditional cell sites on wheels are quite large tandem trailers. However, a tethered drone solution you could easily put in the back of a utility vehicle, get to site quickly. It's very easy to maneuver and move around.
What we are seeing here is a demonstration of agility powered by Optus Campus Network and Nokia's NDAC core. We partner with Australian enterprises to co-design private 5G solutions that work in any environment. Our campus network enables public and private 5G to work in tandem, unlocking scale, control, and resilience. This work is really the culmination of years of work, bringing together very specific capabilities from Nokia.
For us, back in a command and control centre, ensuring that we're only sending our field technicians in when it's safe is super critical. I think it's a real game changer.